Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Asus monitor suddenly shows a full white screen and nothing else appears, it can feel confusing because the display may seem powered on but completely unusable at the same time. Sometimes the white screen appears immediately after startup, while in other situations it happens randomly during normal use. This issue can happen because of loose display cables, incorrect signal connection, graphics problems, or temporary monitor glitches. Since an Asus monitor depends on a proper signal from the connected device, even a small interruption can cause the screen to display only white instead of normal visuals. The good thing is that many widescreen issues can be fixed with a few simple checks before thinking the monitor has a serious hardware problem. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix an Asus monitor widescreen problem. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Asus monitor and reconnect the power cable to make sure the Asus monitor is receiving stable power. Step 2. Check the display cable connected to the Asus monitor and confirm the Asus monitor signal cable is attached securely. Step 3. Restart the device connected to the Asus monitor to refresh the Asus monitor display connection. Step 4. Change the input source settings on the Asus monitor and verify the Asus monitor is using the correct display input. Step 5. Test the Asus monitor with another cable or device to check whether the Asus monitor widescreen issue continues. Step 6. Turn on the Asus monitor again and confirm the Asus monitor screen displays properly without the widescreen.